Hello, good morning, all. My name is Kelechi Francis. I am a big time MMM participant. Yes, with the little hinge that was had during the December period, people think that MMM has stopped working, but I wish to tell you that MMM is back on and very much efficient, much better than what it used to be. So if you are doubting that MMM is not working and is not paying, or that people money has been seized, I think you have the bad perception. You better check out on your other friends that have MMM account or that still believe in MMM. They will tell you that MMM is still paying, is paying people. People are still PHing and GHing, and it's working. So don't just hold on. MMM is enriching lives. So it's still good you go back and continue. If you are a new person, you have not registered with MMM before, I ask you to do that. MMM is still enriching life. Thank you very much, and God bless.